Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students of third prep, we are going to solve Egyptian Knowledge Bank for third prep, Unit 1, Lesson 1, Force and Motion. We have part 1 here. We will start with the first question. Question number 1. It says that a bike moves a distance of 20 meters in a time of 5 seconds. We have here distance in a unit meter and time in a unit second. So they are the same amount of units. What is the speed of bike? We have here the rule says that speed equal distance over time. So we will divide 20 meter divided 5 seconds. So the result will be 4 meter per second. Okay, I think it's easy question. Another one, question number 2. An aircraft moves at a speed of 220 meter per second for 8 seconds. Okay, we have here speed 220 meter per second and the time 8 seconds. How far does the aircraft moves? We have here the main rule speed equal distance over time. We want to get distance, so we will making multiplying for speed time speed 220 time 8 second, so we will get at the end the distance equal be 1760 meter. Another question, question number 3. The grid shown constant of lines spaced by 1 meter apart. Okay, each one spaced by 1 meter apart. An orange object here moves across 3 grid lines in a time 1 second. Here 3 grid lines in 1 second. If the speed of object doesn't change, okay, the speed of object here means it's uniform speed or constant speed. What color line will the object cross 1 second later? Okay, it moves here 3 lines in 1 second. Okay, this object will move another 3 lines. 1, 2 and 3 here we have, so it will reaches to what? To the blue line. I think it's easy. You can make concentrate for the question. Okay, another question, question number 4. The grid shown consists of equally spaced lines. Okay, here we have spaced lines equal the one red and the purple and the last one green. Okay, a blue object, here we have one blue object and orange object, another one, are both moving across the grid with uniform speed. The objects cross the red line at the same time, T1. Orange object crosses the purple line at the same time that the blue object crosses the green line. So they have the same time, but time 2 here we have in case of the orange object. How do the speeds of object compare between time 1 and time 2? They take the same time, but here we have object reach to a smaller distance and the blue one reaches to a higher distance. It means that the speed of object blue one has high speed. Okay, here we have the answer. Blue object have greater speed and it reaches greater distance. Okay, I think it's easy. You have to look and read our questions carefully. Another question, question number 5. Which of the following is the correct formula for the speed of an object? It means that we wanted to know the role of the speed. Speed equal distance over time. It means that speeds equal distance moved divided by time moved for. Another questions. Two cars drive the same distance at different speeds. Which car takes more time to travel the distance? Okay, I take more time, so I am slow. It means that the car with less speed will take a longer time. Okay. Another question, question number 7. Two cars drive the same distance at different speeds. Which car travels the distance in less time? Okay, we have here same distance with different speeds, but the one will take a less time is has what has a greater speed. So the right answer here will be the car with greater speed. Another question, question number 8. A train moves uniformly at what? 12 meter per second. Okay, here the train. Okay, the position of the train at two different times is shown. What distance does the train moves between the two times? Here we have train from 0 to second to 5 second. Okay, and the speed here will be regular. We want to know the distance. We have the main rule, speed equal distance over time. So we want a distance. We have speed multiplying time. So we have 12 time what? Time 5. And the answer will be 60 meter. Okay, the distance will be 60 meter. Another question here. Question number 9. A ball moves uniformly. It means that it moves equal distance at equal periods of time. The position of the ball each second is shown. What is the speed of the ball? We have here, it moves. If we take any one of them, we have here 2 over 1. And we have here get 4 over 2. And the last one, 6 over 3. All of them will get the speed. It means that speed equal distance over time. At any position, it will be if uniformly or regular speed, we have the same speed 2 meter per second for all positions of the ball. Question number 10. Two cars drives for the same amount of time at different speeds. Which car travels greater distance? It means that I am very fast. I have a greater speed. So the car with a greater what? Greater speed. Question number 11. The grid shown consists of lines spaced 1 meter apart. We have here 1 meter from each one. Square means 1 meter. An orange object here moves across the grid from the red line to the green line in a time 2 seconds. What is the speed of object as it travels from the red line to the green line? Okay, we have here 1 meter. It moves 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 meters. Okay, 5 meters in 2 seconds. So we have to measure the speed equal distance over time. Distance 5 over time 2. So it will get at the end 2.5 meter per second. I think it's easy, but you must concentrate when you measure or count the lines. Okay. The last question of our group today. Fill in the blank. If an object doesn't change its speed as it moves, it means that its speed constant, or the body moves with uniform or regular or constant speed. I hope you enjoy our part today. We have a lot of questions. Please contact for us if you want to solve any questions. I hope you enjoy waiting for you.